Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to the third episode of HobbyKing Flying Dolphin. So we are out on the field. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, the unboxing and assembly, I'll give the links below in the description. And I recommend watching those. And today we'll be doing the maiden flight. So everything is set up, hopefully. And I taped up a couple of the electronics so they don't fall off in mid-air during my maiden. And let me show you the CG is supposed to be kind of close to the spar, and it is slightly nose heavy, which I like for the maiden. And I'm going to give a little bit of up elevator trim, and hopefully it will go up instead of down. And I will try to bring my hand back quickly to because I'm a righty, so I have to push it throw it with the right hand. Wish me luck. All right. It doesn't want to turn somehow. I think try to land it. I cannot bring it back. I cannot bring it back. It is rotating backwards.
Can't get it back?
I cannot get it back.
Now let it go down, Fetty. There's a big field out there. There's a field right there.
Okay, I cut it off. Thank you. Yep. Unfortunately, it has these carbon spars.
And it's
On the
ripping.
back, and it's probably stuck. If it was towards the other side,
Yeah.
Bummer. And there's no way I can climb that tree.
No freaking way. No, it's just Spider-Man. And it's not even high enough where we could shake a damn branch.
The only thing I can do is get a location. It is the next day, folks. We couldn't retrieve the plane from that branch. It's way high up. So it is search and rescue today. I brought some weights and strings. Just slingshot up and try to catch the branch and shake the plane loose. The big problem is we set a pin drop on our maps, on our phones, but it is on all the phones, it's showing our current location. Somehow there's like a stupid feature on Google Maps. You send somebody your location, it sends your live location, does not save that current location. So I don't know if I will even be able to find the airplane. So I'm going to tick in the woods, and hopefully there is some battery left. If I cannot find the plane, I'm going to turn on the transmitter and hope there is still some battery, and try to operate the motor just to be able to hear it. Let's see what happens. And yesterday I impaled myself. There are thorns all around. So today I'm planning to wear my gloves, heavy duty work gloves. So let's see if I'll be able to find it. The trek starts. Now I'll go on time lapse so you don't wait. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. trek into the woods. Right now we are on a path, but once I go through that fence, I think it's a private area, but there's an opening. It is really thick woods with a lot of thorns everywhere. I have to zigzag my way to the location I think the plane is. We'll see. Here's the opening in the fence, and here's the house, and it is straight and then right quite a bit. So folks, after about an hour of looking, I finally found. I'm glad Google Maps saves the history, although it does not make it searchable. I was able to find this location from yesterday's trek, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's up on that branch. So now I need to start trying to get it down. It's going to be tough, but we'll see. I'm just going to use, there are other branches around it, so if I can catch that branch and shake it, maybe I may be able to drop it. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to try to say my location again and see if I'm successful. Let's see if I can catch it and get it down.